Introduction to scheduling recurring meetings in Zoom.
Recurring meetings are ideal for classes, regular team check-ins, or any event that happens on a schedule. Using Zoom, you can set up these meetings once and let Zoom handle the rest. This tutorial walks you through the exact steps to create, customize, and manage recurring meetings so your virtual schedule stays organized and efficient.
Accessing Zoom and starting a new meeting schedule.
Begin by signing in to your Zoom account on the web, desktop, or mobile app. Look for the Schedule button, usually marked with a calendar icon. Click or tap it to open the scheduling window. Here is where you'll create a new meeting event and set it to recur. Make sure to have your meeting details, like topic and time, ready.
Setting the meeting to recurring.
In the scheduling window, look for the option labeled Recurring Meeting. Check the box next to it. You'll see new scheduling options. Choose how often the meeting repeats, daily, weekly, or monthly, and set the recurrence end date or number of occurrences. Select the days of the week if needed. This flexibility saves time when organizing regular sessions.
Configuring advanced meeting options.
You can add password protection, enable or disable video settings, and manage participant permissions. Scroll through the available options and adjust settings such as waiting rooms or recording preferences. Consider your group's needs. These settings can improve your meeting's security and efficiency, especially when they recur.
Saving and managing recurring meetings.
Once your settings are complete, click Save or Schedule. Your recurring meetings will be listed in your Zoom meeting list and calendar. You can edit or cancel any occurrence at any time. Share the meeting link or invitation with participants. Joining details remain the same for each session, making it simple for everyone to remember.
Tips for streamlining recurring meetings in Zoom.
To stay organized, name your meetings clearly and set reminders. If you need to adjust dates or details, use the Edit option to update just one or all sessions. Regularly review your meeting list to keep things tidy. With these steps, Zoom makes managing recurring online gatherings easy and efficient.